Hello viewers, let's quickly consider this question and the question says, give the IUPAC name of the following organic compound below and we have this organic structure. Okay, now let's quickly do this together. The first rule says, identify the longest carbon chain. Now let's do that together. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, we also have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We also have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, we can see that the carbon chain, the longest carbon chain contains 6 carbon atoms. Okay, now we take this as our longest carbon chain. Okay, now the next rule says identify the functional group. Okay, when we look at this longest carbon chain, we can see there is a double bond in the chain. Okay, now this double bond is the functional group, and the homologous series that has this double bond as its functional group is what? Alkene. Is Akin. Because it's Akin, the name of this compound is going to answer a name that ends with E. Okay? Now the next rule says identify the substituents. Okay, when we talk about the substituents, there are group of atoms or radicals that are attached to the parent carbon chain other than hydrogen. So apart from hydrogen, any other atom or group of atoms that is attached is referred to as substituent. We also call them attachers. Okay, now here we have bromine, we have methyl, we also have bromine here, and we have what? Methyl. So we have 4 substituents. Okay, now the next rule says number the carbon chain so that the functional group will take the lowest possible number. Okay, when there is a substituent and functional group, we should consider the functional group first. Okay, we should consider the what? The functional group first, in the sense that we should number the parent carbon chain so that the functional group will take the lowest possible number. Okay, now let's number the carbon chain. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Counting from this end, double bond is at carbon number 2. Now let's number from this end. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Counting from this carbon atom, the functional group is at carbon number 4. Now 2 and 4, which one is the lowest possible number? It's 2. So we are going to take a numbering from this place. So we are going to have 2E. Okay, now let's go back to the substituents. Now the rule says when we have more than one substituent, we should arrange them in alphabetical order. Okay, here we have bro, and here we have methyl. Okay, in alphabetical order, B comes first before N. So B is going to come first. Now remember that this B is attached to carbon number 2. This is our starting point. Okay, and this other B is at carbon number 4. Okay, and when a substituent appear into two places, we use di to represent it. Okay, so we have 2, 4 dibromo. So we have 2, 4 dibromo. Okay, now back to the methyl. This methyl is at carbon number 3, and this other methyl is at carbon number 5. So we are going to have 3, 5 dimethyl. Okay, now since the parent carbon chain contains 6 carbon atoms, it's going to be what? Hex. Okay, it's going to be what? Hex. So since we have 6 carbon atoms in the parent carbon chain, it's going to be what? Hex. So we have hex 2E. Okay, this 2 means that the functional group is at carbon number 2. Okay, and this ENE means that this particular compound belongs to what? A key. Okay, so the name of this compound is going to be 2,4-dibromo, 3,5-dimethyl, hex 2E. See you in my next video.